Imagine an animal that shaped entire ecosystems, inspired myths across cultures, and even gave rise to humanity's first companion, the dog. This is the story of the gray wolf. The gray wolf, or Canis lupus, is one of the world's most fascinating mammals. Often feared as a predator, yet respected as a guardian of balance, wolves carry a legacy stretching back hundreds of thousands of years. Let's dive into the hidden truths and surprising facts about this legendary creature. The wolf's journey began over 2 million years ago with early ancestors like Canis etruscus. The modern gray wolf evolved nearly 400,000 years ago, surviving the Ice Age and walking alongside mammoths and saber-toothed cats. Later, wolves became the ancestors of dogs, domesticated between 20,000 and 40,000 years ago. Wolves are engineered for survival. Their bite force can crush bones, their sense of smell is 100 times stronger than humans, and their hearing picks up sounds 6 miles away. Unlike sprinters, wolves are marathoners, traveling up to 100 miles in a single day while hunting. A wolf pack is not a gang of fighters, but a family unit. The so-called alphas are simply the parents, guiding their pups and older offspring. Older siblings act as babysitters, helpers, and teachers, proving that wolf society is built on cooperation, not dominance. Each wolf's howl is unique, like a fingerprint. They don't howl at the moon, they howl to find their family, defend territory, or signal danger. Along with howls, body language, scent marking, and even ear movements, create one of nature's most complex communication systems. As a keystone predator, the wolf keeps ecosystems in balance. By targeting weak and sick prey, wolves prevent overgrazing and allow forests and rivers to recover. In Yellowstone National Park, their return revived entire habitats, a living example of the power of trophic cascades. With snowshoe-like paws, thick double-layered fur, and high intelligence, wolves can thrive in tundras, forests, deserts, and mountains. This adaptability is why they remain one of the most widespread predators in history. Despite being the ancestors of dogs, wolves are not pets. Their wild instincts, territorial behavior, strong prey drive, and unpredictable reactions make them dangerous in domestic settings. Even wolf-dog hybrids often face severe behavioral problems. Wolves belong to the wilderness, not our living rooms. In Norse mythology, wolves symbolize chaos and loyalty at the same time. In Native American traditions, they represent wisdom and family bonds. Across cultures, the wolf mirrors both human fear and human strength. The gray wolf is not just a predator, it is a guardian of ecosystems, a master of family bonds, and a timeless symbol of resilience. Protecting wolves means protecting the wild itself.